this is Wario again. During my time of freedom from chores and stuff, I thought, what can I do? And then this popped up that there is nothing better to do than make a W&W ceiling fan. So that's what I'm doing here. This is the motor. And well, here's the cool thing about this. Look at what the mounting bracket is. You can make one of these yourself by inserting a suction cup into one of these mechanisms here, then insert this when the flywheel is inserted, and just insert this for demo purposes. But here's how it goes. You can mount it on like flat ceilings, mainly glass or plastic or plexiglasses is what it'll support. Maybe marble as well. But yeah. Mounts with these. And you can also unmount it as well with these. So this could be a good W&W ceiling fan. And it might go down in historic legendary. It might go down historic legendary records. This is actually going to be the first close-mounted ceiling fan from W&W that can have no wired or box frame mount. So let's get started. So materials required are the suction cup, this thing for the motor, this small thing down here, some paper, tape, pencil, markers, scissors, and W&W pull chain. You can make your own pull chain just by cutting a string. So now we can get started with flywheel issues. You want to cut about length of 2 blades, or width of 2 blades. So here's the recommended size. Except you want to determine halfway and then split there. This way. Now you gotta overlap the papers and then cut them this way so that you get 4 blades out of there. Now you got your blades. So you're probably wondering, what about the flywheel? Well, I haven't gotten to that yet, but I will right now. So cut a circle. It's about like the motor size. That's how large you want the circle to be. What helps best is that you just cut a base square first and then then melt the square into a circle by cutting off the points. Except octagons or decagons. So now, each blade is going to go on a side. But before we do that, make the blade brackets with the marker. You can like see the imprint right here, because the marker tends to go through the paper. You want to tape the blade on both sides to make sure it's secure. Repeat the process for the rest. Okay, so that is now done with. This is what I've got for the flywheel. Basically, non-drooping blades. It's best to secure them though. So, I'm gonna secure these by putting tape all around them until they're completely secure. Then I'll come back. So I'm back. Blades are all nice and secure now. So they will have about no droop to them. Now, gotta make the hole in order to put it on here. So I'm gonna make the hole now. Now, you want to make sure the hole is big enough so that the fan can spin freely. You know, making WW Advanced Flywheel, just like I taught Josh D. And then once that's set and you are sure that it can spin freely, you can put it back here. I'm using paper because I would have used cardboard until I realized we were out of it. So you can use cardboard for this too. Here's the fan, but of course, can't forget the most important part. The pull chain. And now the pull chain is set on the small white part down there. You just basically make a circle that is the same circumference of the part that you put on the motor. And then you make another circle like that, and boom, you got that small part. So, thanks for watching. If you would like more, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment what should I make next. This will be called the W&W Sinclair.